Here's a little update on how the renovation of the Salt Lake Temple looks now as of early October 2024. Renovation started in December of 2019. Little did they know that a pandemic would come in and shut down most of the world just a few months later. So it's taking a bit longer than they expected. But most of the buildings in Temple Square in Salt Lake City have been going under renovation, making them earthquake-proof. You can see some of the pictures along the wall here, showing the temple being built in the 1800s. The building just to my right is the tabernacle, and the renovation on it has already been completed. You can see the temple covered in scaffolding there. Now, we can take a peek through these windows here in the wall to watch the work in progress. And you can see what the workers are doing under the ground there to try to make it so that in an earthquake, the temple would sway 5 feet in either direction. So it might not be the best timing as a tourist to see the usual magnificence of Temple Square. But on a brighter note, how often do you get to see flying porta potties? If you're an angel or a bird, this has got to be heaven sent. Oh me, oh my, flying toilets in the sky. As you can see, not just the temple is closed down, but many of the buildings in Temple Square, including the Joseph Smith Memorial Building and the Visitor Center. Also being renovated are Brigham Young's houses, the Beehive House, and the Lion House, which during normal times has a delicious restaurant inside the historical home that you can eat at. Now, one more view from across the street in the conference center. And a model how the temple normally looks. And finally, an example of the stone that was cut from the mountains 18 miles away and brought by oxen wagon to this spot to build the temple beginning in 1853. Well, that's all for this video. I'll have to come back sometime in 2026 when the restoration work is all done. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video.